Dencom MIM creates a unique feedstock by combining powdered metal, wax and polymers. This mix is poured into the metal injection molding machine, where it gets heated to a point where the binding materials liquefy. The liquid mix is then injected into a mold, where it cools down and hardens. After the object is hardened, it is removed from the mold. These objects are referred to as green parts. The green parts are placed into trays which are stacked. This stack is then placed into a debinding bath. About 50% of the binding materials are dissolved in this bath. The next step is to complete the debinding process in a debinding furnace. Demcon MIM uses a different furnace for the thermal debinding phase instead of debinding in the sintering furnace. The rest of the binding materials are burned away at a relative low temperature in this furnace. When the objects come out of this furnace, they are fragile and porous and are referred to as brown parts. The final step of the MIM process takes place in the sintering furnace. This furnace operates at a temperature just below the melting point of the metal material that is used. The metal powder fuses together, resulting in an object with a density that is higher than 99% solid. These metal parts are especially suited for use in high-tech, industrial and medical appliances. Because we are in complete control of the production chain and use our own feedstock, we are able to reduce the shrinkage of the objects during the process to only 12.5%. Demcon MIM is able to create objects with a high dimensional consistency and accuracy to plus or minus 0.25% of the final dimensions. The polymers in the feedstock are water soluble, which means that the process is environmentally friendly. Demcon MIM designs and produces according to the highest quality standards, ISO 9001 and ISO 13485. The R&D department of Demcon MIM focuses on the improvement of the unique feedstock formula and understanding of design for MIM to increase the quality of feedstock and MIM objects even further. Demcon MIM is fast and flexible, with short lead and delivery times because we control the complete production chain from R&D and design to prototyping and mass production. Demcon MIM can provide a complete range of services for MIM, which include feasibility studies, including first production, mass production, feedstock supply, knowledge and technology transfer on a license basis, setting up MIM production processes.